So just figured out today that the top is cracked. Where I mount my roof rack right here, where I have this clamp, I cracked the lip. If you look on the back side of it, you can see it's got a split in it, and that split goes up into here somewhere. So it's not going to be safe anymore. It's kind of something I was thinking about taking off and maybe trailering or putting it on something else. It's got me 2 years, and I mean, obviously I put a lot of weight on it, but the roof panels cannot handle that much weight. Time to come up with a different setup. Hey everybody. So today the guys are stopping by. We're going to be going for a ride on the dirt bikes. I believe there's a side-by-side coming with us as well. Road legal. It's interesting. But when they get here, I'm going to use them to help me get my rooftop tent off, because my top has cracked on the rain channel. Now, I kind of knew this was going to happen someday. You know, all the pounding around on the trails and everything else going on. It's putting a lot of force on those little rain channels. So now that it's cracked and hey, it's still not leaking, that's a good thing I caught it just in time. But I'm gonna take all this stuff off, and I had been talking about maybe doing a trailer idea. So might be time to dabble in that. I've trailered a lot of things before, but I've never done any sort of overlanding trailer setup, and I'd really like to start taking the dirt bike more. So it's time for this whole roof top setup to come off and maybe put it on a trailer top. I'm not sure yet, but in the meantime, time to take everything apart. Yeah, it gets muddy right where he's sitting, so you gotta hammer through. There you go. Atta boy. monster. Woohoo! So we followed some logging trails and we are sort of lost. We are stuck here in the middle of nowhere in the bushes. So we're gonna check our Jeepus and see if we can get out of here.
Going up that way or?
Up this way, yeah. Hello everyone. It's been a hot minute, and hot meaning I've been working real hard to do a couple of things. First thing I had to do, it was my birthday coming up soon in New Hampshire. We have to re-register and inspect our vehicles, and I had to take the tires off and all my other gadgets. I had to cover up all my light bars. Got her done. So what else have I been doing? Well, I've been busy doing a lot of things. As you've seen over the years, the house got done, and got a little antsy with the garage because the garage was starting to tip. So I went and destroyed the rest of it. So the idea is I'm tearing down the rest of this, and I'm gonna make this all one garage. Make it a little bit more Jeep friendly. Maybe I can actually park my big tall Jeep on 40s. Obviously not on 40s right now, but once they're on 40s, it will not fit in that garage. So I'm always out here working in the driveway. It's a pain in the butt. So if I can get this whole garage done and rebuilt, pour a nice floor, I might actually get to work comfortably on a vehicle for once in my life. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. I haven't really been filming much because I've been buried in this project, but I figured I'd include you for a little bit of it anyway, as I tear down and demo the rest of it. So it's the next day, we're out here playing around, and you saw me taking the roof panels off last night, the planks. Well, I went and give the trusses a push and they all come toppling down. So it was like a domino effect. I kind of wish I had it on camera, but it's pretty cool. But you can see all the trusses have fallen. So now I gotta pluck all these suckers off. And I think I ran out of room in my dumpster. Hey, look at this thing. It's about full, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to put much more in it.
Oh God!
Ready?
Whoa!
Ready?
Ah!
Ta-da! Say goodbye to your garage. So yeah, that's that. End of that garage. How many years has that been there?
61.
Yeah, like 50 years. So say bye.